Hello and welcome. In this lesson, we'll be learning how to use the artistic media tool in CorelDRAW. So, just come to this tool. This is the artistic media tool, and the shortcut key is there. So, add artistic brush spray and calligraphy effect by using freehand strokes. So, just to beautify your design, to add a beautiful elements to your design. Okay, so now we have three tools within this group. This first one is our artistic media tool. So now let's look at it. Just select this tool and just look at the properties bar, and you see that we have the presets. Okay, so this is a brush, this is a sprayer, anyone that you want, you just select that one, but it is on this one first. So let's use this one and see. So you can see the size is also set to this one. So if I should left click now on my mouse button and drag, I will have a shape like this. Just release. Okay, you can see. Okay, so now this shape now. Okay, so this one now, you can decide to increase it here. Just look at it, or you decrease it. So now let me switch to pick tool. So to switch to pick tool now, just tap the space bar on your keyboard. Just press it down and it will give you the pick tool. So come back to this the tool that I just dropped. To pick that one again, press the space bar again. Okay, you can see. So now let me delete all other ones except this first one. Okay, so we have it like this. So let me try to scale it become smaller. Okay, so that is because this option is artist. It's just stroke with object. If I should click on it now, I've changed it. It means that if I should reduce this object now, you can see that it's getting, I've not even seen my work again, because it will maintain this big shape, this size. It will maintain it even if I scale it down. Even if I scale it down, it will try to maintain that one like that. So once this option is selected, so it means that as you are scaling the object, the size is also scaling with it. So that is that on that. Okay, so now still on the same tool, if I should switch it to this one now, brush, it will give me a brush, and you can change it to others here. Okay, so all here. So this one now, look at the brush stroke now. So if I should do anything now, this is the one that it will give me. Okay, I can go ahead and give it a color. You can see, just look at it, I can change it to another one. And if I should do now, it will be giving me this one instead of the first one. So I can change the color. Okay, you can see. So this one is like a stroke outline. So you apply outline color instead of fill color. Just get it right, and you won't find it difficult. It will work. So I'll set it to this one. So if I don't like that one, just not now, it's not necessary again. So let me bring all these ones aside. Okay, so still on the same artistic tool, you can go to sprayer, and this one is selected. So if I should do anything here, you can see what it's giving me. Can see what it's giving me. Can see what it's giving me. And see, it's kind of beautiful. Okay, so that is it on that. So you can change it to others and switch it, and there is what browse in case you have a saved your artistic saved presets on your maybe computer. You have the ones that you have external, so you can import them. can import that particular one. Okay, so okay, can also delete again in case you don't like it again. So just try it out. Artistic media tools. You can go on. Look at this one. Okay, this one is what expression, pressure. Just try them out and do. Okay, so that is it on that. So now let's do this live sketch. I say that live sketch naturally and fluidly with intelligent stroke adjustment. Okay, if you are using a mouse, this one doesn't work well. Honestly, this one doesn't work well with mouse. Or if you have a graphics doing tablet, that is a pen tablet, you should work fine. If you have a tablet, try it out. Okay, so let's move to the next one. Okay, so let me move to this next one, which is what is smart drawing. Shift plus S. It means that if you hold down shift here and press S, it will activate this tool for you, okay, without even coming to pick it from here. If you just use the shortcut shift and S, shift S, you can see it has activated it. The same thing. So that's the shortcut key. So what this one does is that if you should draw anything here, it will try to recognize it for you. Like for example, now let me pick the tool. Okay, so you can see the shape recognition level is at the medium. So what this tool does is to convert freehand strokes to basic shapes or smooth curves. Okay, so look at the property bar. You see the shape recognition level. It is set to medium, smoothing level at medium, outline at 0.5, and line as a like straight continuous line, not broken. So if I should do anything like this, let's assume that I want to draw a rectangle. Okay, if I should draw it roughly like this and release, just so you can see it has given me a rectangle. I hope you saw what I did. But if I should make it a kind of not too good like that, you'll find out that, okay, no, let me make it something very dull. This one is, even this medium is good. So what this medium is kind of good as well, but not that good. You can see I wanted to do a circle, but it didn't give me so good. But if I should change it to lowest or none at all, this thing will not even recognize anything that I want to do. It will not help me do it. Okay, this one it will not be able to recognize. Oh, why is this thing working like this today? Okay, normally this thing, they are not that smart at this lowest level. They will hardly recognize what you are doing. They hardly recognize. Something is wrong, bro. Honestly, something is wrong. Once you don't do it well, it won't work for you. But once you set it to I or the highest, just try to do anything to recognize it very fast. If it's like, even if it is a rough, even if it is a rough cycle that you do, it will try to give you what you call the recognition level is at what the highest. The recognition level is what it is at highest. You can see even this one, it's not even perfect. Something is overlapping, but it's still giving me kind of a shape that is very close to that one. All because the recognition level is what is at the highest. This one I overdo for this one. Okay, so what should I even do now? I don't even know. Okay, you see it. So just try it out and it works. So if you really want to make use of this, to set the recognition level to highest, so that it will give you what it's very accurate in giving you what you are looking for. In case you want to do a shape and you don't even know how to locate it, you don't know the name, just use this tool to to try to sketch it, and it should help you create that shape. But make sure you set the level to highest recognition level. Okay, so that is it on how to use the tools in this group. So see you in our next class.